What the hell?
Ja, was ist denn das da? Eine Grillfeier.
Holy fuck, it's fucking burning! The whole place! I've got to go in. I've got to get something.
Leave it, cousin. This place is gone.
They burnt it! They fucking burnt it, Nico!
Ja gut, zumindest ist das Ungezieferproblem gelöst, gell?
Do you know how long it took me to get a place of my own? You got off the boat and I was here for you!
I know you were.
I got here and I had nothing! Nobody! I worked my way up from the fucking dirt!
Eine abgefuckte Wohnung weniger. Die schönste war's nicht. Ja, da brennt aus.
Jesus! It's on fire! Fuck! I've got nothing left! Not my home, not my business, nothing! They took it all!
I'm sorry, Roman. I'm really sorry, but we have to go. We'll meet Mallory and Bohan. You still have her.
And you! For all the good you've done me!
Oh Gott, diese Schweine. Die haben mich ruiniert. Beziehungsweise ein Roman.
Do you know how long it took me to get set up here? You don't, because it was easy for you. You had it all from day one. It took me months to get some cash together. Finally I bought a cab, and then another. Then I got the depot. I slept under my desk at that place for over a year. Then I got the apartment. The apartment you thought was so shitty. Well, it doesn't matter. And now it's gone, along with everything else.
I said I was sorry.
You have a lot to apologize for. Since you got here, I've had my computer smashed. I've been beaten up. I was kidnapped and then shot in the stomach. My apartment got burned down and so did my business. Things have been going so great. Just great since you showed up.
You remember that time when we went to the bar back home and found it razed to the ground? Just a pile of rubble. Everything smashed. Except for that one bottle of vodka.
Yeah, we sat down and finished it off there and then. Wait, I don't want to talk about back home. We're here in America now. And I should be thinking about my life here. My life, which is ruined. Just drive, shut up and drive.
Ja, warte mal, Roman.
Hey, beautiful. What's up? No, what do you mean? I haven't been crying since my allergies. Nico's wearing this new cologne. Yeah, trying to impress Michelle or something. You're coming to your cousins, are you there? Great. See you in a bit, beautiful. My dream? It was just that. A dream. I can't have the tavern now. I have nothing to buy it with. I have nothing.
I told you. You still have Mallory.
But I wanted to really have her. I wanted to marry her.
You can still do that.
I had bought her a ring. That is what I wanted to show you. It was a beautiful ring. It was with you. Now I have nothing. Come on. Oh. Roman, pull yourself together. You've been here before. Positive, mental, attitude. Come on.
At least they want me dead, and not you.
I do not think it will be much difference to them, Nico. One dead Belik will give them a little bit of happiness while they wait for next. I do not care, though. We are in this situation. We must deal with it. Bring on Bohan.
Okay.
Oh Gott, dieser Roman. Der schiebt eine Panik, ha? Aber, das holen wir uns jetzt zurück, gell? Der Tag der Abrechnung kommt noch. Geht mal weg da. So Money kommt nie hoch. Sag das. Jetzt sind wir wieder da herum. Und ich glaube, da werden wir die nächste Zeit verbringen, gell? Hey Babys, wie schaut denn aus? Ja gut. Die wollen nicht einsteigen.
Here we are. The beginning of our new lives. Again. Not so bad. I mean, I don't think we'll be impressing women with our wonderful hot tub, but this looks okay.
Yes. Great.
Come on, what's wrong?
What's wrong? What's wrong? Where should I start? All right, I'll start with you. What's wrong with you? 15 minutes ago, you were cowering in fear because you didn't know what was going to happen. Now, You know everything is shit, and we're going to be killed, and you're all cheerful. I don't get it.
I guess I'm an optimist.
An idiot, not an optimist.
I was bored of broker anyway! I'm glad you turned up and made some Russian killers burn down my home and business. Oh, yeah, thanks, Nico. Thanks a bunch. Is that better?
March!
Thank God you're okay. Mwah, mwah. Both of you.
We're fucked. We're broke and on the run.
No, I'm from up here, Nico. I know a bunch of people who might be able to help out. Why don't you come and meet me at the community center later on? I gotta go to work. Bye, Papi. Mwah, mwah. And have a shower. You smell a little, mature.
So, I guess we start again.
Sure. I'm going out.
Ja gut, genug geredet. Jetzt gibt's wieder Action. Und jetzt sind wir auf jeden Fall im Bauhen. Das ist unser neues Apartment. Fürs Erste. Die Sonne ist leider abgefackelt. Mehr oder weniger. Der möchte jetzt da oben. Pass auf. Ich nehme das Moped. Little Jacob. Möchte denn der schon wieder? Ach so. Beste Grüße von Little Jacob. Jetzt schau mal da mal. Oh Gott. Ja, sag einmal. Jetzt hab ich Schädelweh. Da hat die Schädel ein bisschen mehr ausgehalten, gell? Ja, sag mal. Ja, wo steht das M, ha? Für Mallory, kann das sein? Wo ist auch das Gemeindezentrum? Dieses Ding da.
This is the one, man. We're gonna get a really nice shot of them. It's gonna be beautiful. I mean, you taught them these moves. Right?
No.
But we want to make sure that we see them.
Okay.
Well, we want to see you.
Just
too.
film it, man.
Okay, well, just keep looking at me, but stand over there. Okay?
You mean here?
Yes. Very cool. Good.
Okay,
Yeah.
go.
Beautiful. All right.
You ready for this?
Yes, I am. Turn this way, please. Turn this way.
5,
Yeah.
6,
Looking at
7,
me.
8, 8.
Good. Right over here.
Let me see you work. This way.
Yes. Good. Perfect. Cool.
So how do I look, man?
You look good.
Do I look gay?
No, not at all. It's a very manly kind of dance.
Okay, so here we go then. Yeah. See, it's the streets, man. But people gotta understand the struggles. For real, you know what I'm saying? They gotta understand the struggles. Yeah.
Oh, hey, Nico. This is my boyfriend's cousin, the guy I was telling you about, Nico. How's my Roman doing anyway?
For a guy who just lost his home and his business, who now has a price on his head, pretty good.
I love his optimism.
Listen up.
So, Nico, this is Manny. We grew up together.
Hey, yeah. What's up, man? Streets, man. All right.
This is the guy I told you about who beat up all those thugs and broke us.
Yeah, great. Listen, Melody, would you give us a little space,
All
please?
right.
Okay, yeah, great. So you know, streets take no prisoners, right? But, you know, kids need hope. You know what I'm saying?
Not really.
Yeah, well, you know, sometimes you gotta break some omelets to make some eggs, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, and...
Yeah, well, you know, we gotta clean up some eggs, brother. We're gonna clean them up, you know? Yeah, right here. Turn around, man, right here.
Here, Manny Escuela is rapping with a street accomplice about cleaning up the streets
Yeah.
of Bohan.
Turn that
These
off.
street
Wait a
criminals are trying to reform their neighborhood. Hey, please,
Hey, hold
what
on
are
a
you doing?
second, man.
Hey, Manny!
Sorry.
Okay, everyone, that'll be all for today. That was great. Thank you very much. That'll be all for today. Thanks a lot. What are you doing?
What were you saying?
We gotta get some of these dealers off the streets, man, you know? And I want them to know it was me, man.
Fine, just don't point the camera at me when you're doing it.
Well, it's my testimony, man. Look, brother, would you help, please? Look, I got money. I got money.
In which case, you've got help.
Good. All right. Hey, how's the camera?
It's not good.
What do you mean it's no good? Can
Just
you
don't
tape this?
even...
Okay. All right, okay, well, listen, look. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get all these dealers off the streets, and we're gonna kick their ass, and they're gonna know it's me. We need a car if we're gonna clean these streets.
Ja gut, das ist Mandy, gell? Ein neuer Auftraggeber. Und ja, Kohle, ganz gut. Ein Fahrzeug. Ja, so, mein Kumpel. Muss das Auto sein. Wobei, da vorne nicht. Schau, das ist er. Ein Lamborghini. Genau vor der Haustür. Wo ist der Schlechte? Ja, was hast du?
Last I heard, these dealers was up on Grand Boulevard. Let's go take a look, man.
Also mal, das Ding pfeift da.
So, you and Mallory is tight, huh? She and your cousin is together now. I love that girl, man. I love her, man. Your cousin better not be messing with her head. You're gonna propose, right? You're gonna make an honest woman of her, right?
I think that's as much of a decision of Mallory's as it is Roman's. I don't know if he's grown up enough to make a good husband.
The dealer and his drug wagon are up there. Pull up behind and we wait.
I didn't know you and Mallory was that close.
Shit, man. Manny's close to everyone who grew up on the streets of South Bohan, man. They're my people, alright?
Sure.
Ja gut, dieser Mandy quatscht genauso viel wie der Roman.
There he be. We got to follow him to them other leeches, man. They be sucking the damn life out of these streets.
Den soll ich verfolgen. Kein Problem, gell? Flüchten kann er nicht. Über einen Lamborghini.
You know, when I was stalking this girl in Europe, I found that 2 car lengths was the best distance.
Was sagt er? 2 Wagenlängen. Die haben wir locker. Wo ist er? Hat da vorne nicht. Weiter hinten bleiben. Nicht, dass er mir rühren kann.
Not fucking cool, man.
Achso, hupen nicht gut. Dann hupe ich glaube ich lieber nimmer. Jetzt sehe ich nicht mehr. Ja, was ist da vorne los? Jetzt hat. Ja, du Schlechte. Tommy.
You know, these streets is mine, man. I can feel them flowing through my veins.
You sound like you got something else in your veins.
And I ain't touched that shit in years. Who you been talking to, man? I'm clean, man. Serene. Fucking serene.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You ever thought about doing some TV? You might be able to get a series of the back of mine, you know? Eco, Bellic, street justice, bro.
Not really my scene.
Just wait till you see your face on the screen, man. Maybe you change your mind then.
Yeah, I always wanted to be a well-known idiot.
People say to me, Manny, why you do this? Why you want to clean up the streets so bad? What's your passion?
Do you tell them to get famous?
It's for the love, man. They know me because I help people, man. I'm all love, kid, for these streets.
Geh weiter, Manny. Halt die Schnauze. Der erzählt mir die ganze Zeit Märchen. Und ich muss aufpassen, dass ich den Typ nicht verliere. Wo fährt der hin? Er biegt ab. Sag mal, fährt der im Kreis oder wie?
Looks like he's about to stop, yo. You best pull up behind him, man. Follow him into that warehouse and get rid of the dealers.
I thought you were going to clean up the streets.
Hey, the message is what's important, man. It don't matter who gives it. I, for one, ain't in this shit for the ego trip. You taking my money, aren't you? Be my voice. I'm gonna go back and get Jay.
Ja gut, ich glaube die Aktion muss ich gerade nicht verstehen, oder? Dieses komische Klopfzeichen. Hier nehmen wir mal die Pump-Action. Er soll doch klopfen, oder wir? Oder einfach die Tür treten. Geht genauso. Die Tür ist verschlossen. Ja und? Wie kriege ich die auf? Soll ich klopfen? Aber wir? Was? Moment. Weg das, geht doch. Wer stört da? Schau mal, dieser. Wie so ein Rottennest. Oder lot noch? Was haben die da? Redwood. Zigaretten. Oh. In die Hüfte. Pass mir auf. Meine Freundin. Der hat fliegen die Fetzen. Wo ist er? Hinter mir. Oh oh. Wer schreit noch? Ja, da hinten. Er liegt, oder? 2 Typen noch. Warte mal. Kurz mal einsammeln. Das geht schon. Und eine Weste haben wir nicht. Ja gut. Damit kann ich leben. Wer schießt? Ja, da hinten schon. Jetzt nimmer. Einer noch. Wo ist denn dieser Dealer? Hab ich den schon erwischt, oder wie? Ja, so mal, was ist denn das da? Eine Colaflaschen schon. Wie viele Liter sind da drin? 5. Hey, hey. Wer war das? Da ist er. Verlasse das Lagerhaus. Da geht's unten raus. Wo möchte der? Eine Dose Sprunk. Weg das. So, wie Zeit muss sein. Aber ich darf mir sagen, wir hauen ab.
The fearsome street warrior stands outside the site of another gangland massacre.
That's right.
Oh, cut.
What?
Okay.
What?
Oh. Could you walk out of there just one more time? We need to get the shot just right.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
I can put my foot to your face if you like. I don't mind doing that again and again till I get it right.
Easy, Nico. Hey, did it look good? Huh? Was it a good mixture of that sadness and resolve?
You looked great.
Great, yeah, let's do it.
Okay, from the top?
Yeah, right here. Wait, where you going? Right.
More senseless death than the police aren't even here yet. Help has only one name on the streets of South Bowen. Manny Escuela.
That's right. Follow me. We'll be prepared. Street life ain't pretty.